Well, guys, here you go, another video from Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. As I have said in other videos, I have more content to work with, so I will be posting constantly this week. So remember that if you want to see yachts, big yachts, drone footage, and many other things from this year boat show, be sure to come back. So for now, thanks. Remember to always leave a comment below and a thumbs up on the videos. That helps a lot. So for now, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.